Now, let's understand the concept of renewal and retirement of bill. Let's first discuss the renewal of bill. By now, we know that a bill gets dishonored due to the insolvency of the acceptor, that is, the drawee. Now, in order to avoid this situation, the drawee requests the drawer to cancel the old bill and to issue a new bill. This process is known as renewal of bill. Now, pay attention. Noting is not required in case of cancellation of the bill. Thus, there is no need to debit the noting charges. Can you think of the consideration behind issuing the new bill? Well, obviously, it is the interest amount. Let's note two important points here. First, interest is calculated on the amount of new bill at the given rate for the new bill period. Second, it can either be paid in cash or it can be included in the amount of the new bill. Now let's take up the accounting treatment in this case. Here, the first two entries are exactly the same, which must be on your tips by now. In case of cancellation of the bill, the entry passed on the receipt of bill is reversed. So the drawee's account is debited and the BR account is credited. Also, here, interest account is credited as it is a gain for the drawer. Similarly, in the books of drawee, BP account is debited. Interest account is debited as it is an expense and drawer's account is credited. Now, on the receipt of new bill, BR account is debited and drawee's account is credited. If in case drawee receives some amount immediately, then cash account is also debited like this. Next, when a new bill is issued, in the books of drawee, drawer's account is debited and BP account is credited. In case the drawee pays some amount in cash, then cash account is also credited in this entry. Finally, at the time of maturity, both the parties will pass these entries in their respective books. Now, let's learn the concept and treatment in case of retirement of bill. A bill is said to be retired when the drawee expresses his willingness to pay the amount of the bill before its due date. As retirement involves early payment, so the drawer allows discount or, to be precise, rebate to the drawee. This rebate is an expense for the drawer and gain for the drawee. In case of retirement of bill, all the entries remain the same, except here. As can be seen, rebate is debited in the drawer's books while it is credited in the books of the drawee.